Hello everyone, today I am inside a real chocolate factory, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how real chocolate is made, step by step, from raw cocoa beans all the way to a finished chocolate bar. So make sure to watch this video till the very end, because every part of this process is real, fascinating, and extremely.
Chocolate's journey begins far away, in warm tropical farms where cocoa grows naturally. Every bar you see today starts with a single bean. This is the real process, from farm
Bit more to the left. Yeah, hold it steady. There we go. One more scoop should top it off.
It's good enough now. Once you're done.
And that completes the entire journey of chocolate, from fresh cocoa beans all the way to the final packaged bars. Every step takes time, skill, patience, and real human effort behind what we enjoy so easily. I hope you learned something new and enjoyed seeing